Hey everybody, this is mastery number 9, basic types and their uses in C++. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 different types, basic types that are used inside of C++. We're going to go over each and every one of them. Our Boolean types are very simple. All you do is test if a variable is true or false, depending on an if or depending on what the program is intending to do with them. Well, basically, a Boolean variable would be if it's true or a false variable. It will just indicate if it's true or false. The program will use it if it's true or if it's false, depending on the conditions you're giving the user. All right, characters are just single single text formats. There can be numbers and letters, and their word, or they're just, this is basically it. B is a character, K is a character. It's just one character, and character can be a comma, it could be whatever. It's simple. And in order to call a character, just click char. Integer 1, 2, 3, 2, 19,000. Integer are just numbers. Numbers are full numbers that are not decimals. Alright, these are not decimals in any other way. All they do is just numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers. And the only way to declare a variable that's an integer is int. Alright, next one, floating point. Floating points are integers with decimals. Decimals have a max. Floating points have a decimal number of max of 6. So you can only have up to 6 numbers of accuracy in the decimal. And in other words, to declare a variable a floating point, you use the declaration float. Double floating point is the twice as many decimals or accuracy you can use in your variable. In this case, you use 6, and floating point, it is 12 decimals of accuracy. In order to declare a variable a double floating point, you use a double. Valueless is something with no value. It's just a variable with no value. It's not a bool, it's not a double, it's not an integer, it's not a character, it's just a void. As it says, you declare it as a void, void this, and that it has no number, no integer, no nothing, will not return anything. Alright, wide character. Wide character is a conjunction of characters all put together. I think the max conjunction of characters is like 27. This is so you can have a wide combination of characters in one piece. This is like the wide characters. The longest character you can use, or the longest conjunction of characters that C++ can give you. You may be familiar with the one with string. Wide character is just the maximum string you can use for the use of characters. Now the characters is wchat this thing T. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to use basic types. Juan Alvarez, and